By solving the two expressions for y and setting them equal to each other, we're finding the input values, namely x values, for which both functions produce the same output. These are the coordinates where the line and the parabola literally meet. It's like asking, when do these two completely different personalities, one linear, one quadratic, intersect? It doesn't happen often, like cousins who only see each other in funerals. Two intersections again. The line slices right through the parabola like a katana through a watermelon, clean, precise, and slightly concerning for all watermelons in Japan. The first meeting at t equals 0 is the red light. The second one at t equals 12 is destiny, or a rear-end collision. Math lets you predict tragedy with style. Sometimes teachers get bored with clean integer answers and decide it's time for students to suffer just a little. That's when they introduce problems with irrational answers. In this example, the solution involves square roots and fractions, because apparently solving equations isn't challenging enough unless it also requires emotional resilience. If your answer starts looking like a cryptic password, you're probably doing it right. Jean-Jacques Parabellow supposedly came up with this quote after dating a woman named Caroline, an accountant who was as straightforward and practical as a line and not much into nerdy jokes. Parabellow, on the other hand, was a wandering quadratic soul, always curving toward some philosophical vertex. They went on 2 dates. The first was okay. The second ended in an argument about how fast one should go through life. She said, "You're overcomplicating everything. Fixed rate is ideal." He said, "You're ignoring the power of variation." They never saw each other again. Later, he sketched their relationship on graph paper and realized it was exactly like a line and a parabola, intersected briefly, then diverged forever. He cried a bit. Then he published.